Hello, I am here today with David Gottenborg of Gottenborg Chiropractic Clinic. David, could you tell us where your locations are?
Sure. I have two locations. The principal location is in Pelican Rapids. I've been here since 1983. The second location is in a small city east of us, Monaga, Minnesota. And I've been going there for about 20 years every Thursday.
Okay. I understand that this is just the first of many segments, and I would like if you could give us a little overview of what some of the topics that you're going to be covering will be.
Sure. Today I thought we would start off with something just really simple, and that's a basic introduction to chiropractic. And then I'm going to talk a little bit about the different techniques and how they vary between chiropractors. In the future, I'd like to talk about specific conditions like shoulder or low back pain, or how do we assess someone's health when they come in as a new patient.
Okay. I understand you have a video that we could watch that would help give us a better understanding of basic chiropractic care. Could we take a look at that now?
Sure, let's do it.
Chiropractic is based on the scientific fact that your nervous system controls the function of virtually every cell, tissue, organ, and system of your entire body. Bending, lifting, and turning depend upon the proper function of your nervous system, as does breathing, digestion, or fighting off an infection. Your nervous system controls everything. That's why your chiropractic doctor is so interested in your nervous system. Your body is controlled by the computer-like organ of the brain. The brain is protected by the skull and communicates with the tissues and organs of the body through the spinal cord, which is housed in the moving bones of the spinal column. Pairs of nerve roots branch off the spinal cord from between each spinal joint to service the entire body. A feedback loop back to the brain monitors the function of every tissue and organ. However, spinal bones can lose their normal motion or position due to trauma, repetitive motions, poor posture, emotional stress, drugs, alcohol, and many other causes. This can affect the nervous system control and function of associated organs and tissues. This is a common condition. Doctors of chiropractic refer to this as the vertebral subluxation complex, or more simply, a subluxation. The chiropractic approach to better health is to help normalize spinal structure and function, improve nervous system integrity, and allow your body to heal itself naturally.
David, I understand that different chiropractors use different techniques to help their patients. Could you explain to us some of those techniques?
Right. You know, there may be more than 60 techniques, and yet I think most chiropractors will use 4 or 5 that are very, very common. So one of the methods is the chiropractor may actually make a quick thrust. And when they do this, sometimes it may shift or move gas within the joint, and the patient may or may not hear a pop. And sometimes the pop varies. Some chiropractors are trained in using an instrument like this called an activator that produces a precise, measurable force to make the adjustment. There are techniques that take advantage of the forces of gravity to help make the correction. And finally, techniques may vary to make the treatments comfortable and effective for newborns, young children, pregnant mothers, and seniors.
If I were someone who were having problems and I came into your clinic and had never had chiropractic care before, where would you begin with me?
After you've filled out the necessary paperwork, usually the exam or the visit begins with a questionnaire where I talk to you, and it basically ends up with us doing tests that are not uncommon to any doctor, where we're looking for the physical cause of pain. And then we end up doing tests that are more unique to chiropractors when we're looking for this subluxation, this misalignment.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for the information today, David. Thank you for joining us, and please join us again next time.